All right, this is a review of an LG front loader washing machine dryer. It's a combination all-in-one washing machine and dryer. If you could, go ahead and give me a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel. I'll appreciate it tremendously. All right, so this is the review of the washing machine dryer made by LG. Now, I've been using this washing machine dryer for quite a while, and I can show you my experiences, tell you my experiences, what I like about it, and what I do not like about it. Right here is the unit. It's a standard size washing machine dryer unit. I mean, it's not very big. It's about the size of your typical washing machine or dryer singly. All right, so this is the washing machine and dryer. It comes with a front loading door. I'm just gonna go ahead and open it up and you can just put the clothes in there. Now, the beauty behind this washing machine and dryer is that it washes your clothes and dries them after it washes it. So all you need to do is put it in, set it, and then pull it out once it's dried, which is very convenient. All right, so that's one of the good things that I like about it. It's just like I don't have to wait for, I don't have to get up in the middle of whatever I'm doing to take the clothes out of the washing machine, dry them, and then start it up again. So it does all of that all in once, which is great. Now, it's a front loader, so you load the clothes into the front, okay? And then right here is the compartment for adding the detergent. All right, so you add the detergent in here. Right here, it's the main wash. They have a pre-wash, and then right here is for the fabric softener. Now this compartment right here actually comes out. You just have to press on this and pull it out, and you can actually clean in there if you want to. But if not, just load it back in there and then close it. Really cool, very simple. All right, you have that, and then here is the selector right here. You can select between a various amount of different options right here. I normally try to use cotton normal. Then they have the permanent press option. Nobody knows what permanent press is. It's always on irons and washing machines. I don't know what permanent press means. Heavy duty, sometimes I use that. They have a bulky and large one for like blankets or coats. I use that for coats and whatnot. And then they have the baby wear, which actually cleans baby wear. I guess it has, I'm looking at the settings for the baby wear. It does a little bit extra. If you want to know what it actually does when you have in the selections, you make a selection and then you can see over here and it'll show you what to do. Like say for instance, I just put it on baby wear. The normal selection for baby wear is normal. Hot for cleaning out baby wear, you want it to be clean. High spin, and then for heating, for drying, it doesn't have that selection. Okay, and then it also has a pre-wash because it wants you to get them clean. All right, so I'm gonna go to sanitary. Sanitary actually puts the water at extra hot. Okay, and then there's a tub clean feature. I've never used that, but I'm actually gonna try that out sometime today. All right, so you have those, and then let's go. They have the sport wear. Hand wash wool, delicates, speed wash, wash and dry, drain and spin. And there's a download feature for updating your wash machine. I have not yet done that. I should check into that. All right, now let's move over to the side right here. Here are options right here. Okay, so when you make a selection on this right here, it'll bring up some options, but you can also manually change things around. So right now I have it on cotton normal. And the automatic selections that come up are normal, warm water, high spin, and then the dry selection, it doesn't select for me. I have to select that. Now, to do the dry, I just tap that, and I can go from damp to normal to more to actually entering in the time that I want it to dry, which is kind of convenient. But I usually just use more or normal. All right, just go through that, select that. And then there's a pre-wash option. All right, you can select that. That is a pre-wash. You can turn it back off. And then there's an extra rinse option if you wanted to rinse more of the detergent out. Very convenient. And then there is a rinse spin option if you just wanted to rinse and spin and nothing else. And one feature I like a lot is the delay wash feature, okay? So after you make your selection, you can do the delay wash so it doesn't wash for 6, 7, all the way up to 19 hours after you set it, okay? That's very convenient. If you want to put the clothes in at night, but you don't want it to go off like during the night, you can actually do the delay wash. And sometimes I do it to turn on as soon as like my alarm goes off in the morning. All right. And then there's a Water Plus feature right here. This is a high efficiency wash machine, and it doesn't use much water, but sometimes you want a little bit extra water for washing soiled clothes. You can actually turn that on. Really cool. And there's a custom programmable button. I haven't used that yet, but you can customize your washes. And then right here, soil level, you can go from light, normal, and heavy. Water temperature, cold tap, cold. I don't really know the difference between cold tap and then cold. I don't know, does it chill it? I'm not sure. And it goes all the way up to hot and extra hot for sanitizing or baby wear. And the spin feature, you can actually have a low spin, high spin. You can go through all these options. And then the dry setting. All right, we went back to there, okay? Now the drying, it doesn't necessarily get it as dry as it does as a conventional dryer. However, it does get it pretty much dry. Your clothes may seem a little bit damp at the end, but they're not actually wet. I mean, the way that this thing dries is very different from your conventional dryer. So overall, this machine, I really enjoy it. I really enjoy using it because you can actually put your clothes in and then pull them out and they're all done. All right, that's one thing I like about it. Also, it fits in a small space. I'm in a small room right here. Doesn't take up a lot of space, and you know, I like it. It's pretty cool. Let me know if you have any questions about this. I'll feel free to ask the questions. I'll be able to respond to you as quick as I can. Thanks a lot. Don't forget to check the description part of the page. I'll leave links to other tricks and hacks for using this LG front-loading washer machine dryer combo. Let me know if you have any questions.